Hello guys, here we have a 2016 plate Land Rover Discovery Sports. This car come in for a rattling noise coming from the engine. So it's here now. What we're going to do is to look at it and see exactly where it's coming from. So I'm just going to start the car for you guys and see if you can hear the noise. Okay, now the car is started, so I don't know if you guys can hear the rattling, but it is a little bit loud. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to open the bonnet and see if you can hear anything underneath the bonnet. Okay, so we've got the bonnet open. It looks like there's no rattling coming from the engine. It looks like it's underneath the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath the car and see if we can rectify the fault. So now we've got the car fully raised up, so we're going to go underneath it and see where it's coming from. Okay, by the looks of it, it's coming from the DPF, because that DPF is shaking. So these are really common with the Land Rover Discovery Sports and this Range Rover Evoque 2016 model up to 2018. So if I press this now, that will stop the noise, this DPF heat shield. Yeah, so now that we know it is a DPF heat shield, if you have a Land Rover warranty, if you take it there, they will do it for free. But if you don't, what you can do is take the DPF out, and they have a welding around it. You can weld the DPF heat shield, and that will stop the noise like this. And one more common issue with these DPF is that they have a sensor, a DPF sensor, just right up there where my torch is shining. That breaks on them as well, and that causes a distractor as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment and let us know what you think of the video.